Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hidden Art. Today I am going to share with you homemade clay recipe. For making the clay, you need corn flour, glue, body lotion, vinegar and oil. I am taking a pan, add 2 cups of corn flour. Now I am adding 2 cups of white glue. You can use any type of PVA glue. Mix it well. Make sure no lumps are there. You can see the paste is so smooth. Now I am adding 2 teaspoons of vinegar or lemon juice as it works as a preservative to prevent the fungus. Adding 2 teaspoons of cooking oil or baby oil. Add 1 teaspoon of white acrylic color. If you don't add the color, the clay will be transparent. Cook the clay on low heat. Mix it continuously so that there should be no lumps. When the clay sticks around the pan, it is ready to knead. Apply the body lotion on the kitchen surface. Knead the clay very nicely. If the dough is loose, add some corn flour, and if the dough is dry, add some glue. Knead it well so that the clay turns more flexible. Keep it in an airtight bag and store it in the airtight container. And you can store the clay at least 3 to 4 months. It is important to know that the clay dries quickly, so keep away from open air. When you work with it, keep the remaining clay in the airtight bag. You can mix any type of color with it at the time of using, or you can paint on it once it is dry. For an example, I am showing you how am I using the clay. You can make any shape out of it. glue to stick the clay together. It takes 24 hours to completely dry the clay, or it depends on the clay's thickness. I have made all these things with my homemade clay. As it is absorbed the moisture from the air, it is better to seal the varnish on it. As because it is not waterproof, you can clean it with dry clothes. I have given all the link of my clay projects in the description box. I have shared all the details about the clay. If you have any question, please ask me in the comment box. Press the bell icon and subscribe my channel.